Hola amigos, hola amigas, welcome, bienvenido, croeso salam, welcome to the channel y'all, Chesh and Yakshimash. Today I am here at my sister's house doing an unboxing for you, and as you've seen by the title, we are doing a Gtech unboxing, but not a Gtech vacuum this time. We are going to be doing a Gtech lawnmower. So let me just use my little paring knife. I am here in the front room of my sister's house, I just said. You can see all the toys, and you can see the demented tortoise again. Hang on a second. Let's see if we can calm it down. Now, what's the matter? What's the matter? Do you want a little pat? You got cabbage all over your face. You're huffing and puffing. Is that what you wanted? A little pat on the head? Huh? A little pat on the head. There we go. Shh, be quiet. Is that better? Are you calm now? Not demented and deranged? Right, let's put your little shell back in. Thank you. You've all over your plate. You've got your food everywhere. Right, let's get back to the Gtech. Let's have a look and see what we got in the box. So there is a handle. What's this? I'm doing this one-handed because I didn't expect to be doing this today. Looks like another part of the handle. Okay, cable and plug. And in this one, oh, the battery pack. Oh, look, it's got 3 things of battery on it already. And the piece de resistance. Packing, and the instructions. Okay. So this is the Gtech lawnmower. Oh my god, it looks like a toy. Underneath we have the blade. So we got wheels. It's a very it's a tough plastic. That's where it spins. Looks like that would be easy to clean, but if you do get grass and everything in there, that's going to be a bit of a bugger to try and get it out. It's a shame that there's no kind of like cover on this. There's the handle. There's lock and unlock. Okay, well, doesn't look too bad, to be honest. Again, quite tough plastic. Let me have a quick look through the instructions. Okay, we have a little note here from Nick Gray. Welcome to the Gtech family. Blah, blah, blah. Serial codes. Mower unit. Handle 2, battery and charger. Assemble 2 parts of the handle. When the pole is fully inserted, the button 1 will pop into the aperture. Insert the assembled handle into the mower main unit. Ensure it's the right way up. When the pole is fully inserted, the button 1 will pop into the aperture 2. Okay. Insert the battery, which will click into place. The mower will not work without the safety key. Okay, rotate it 90 degrees clockwise to operate. The safety key can be removed and stored out of reach of children. Push and hold the safety button on either side, then press the trigger to operate. When you release the trigger, the mower will stop. Forwards, upright, on, and then when you lift it up, then it goes to off. The mower has a safety cutout feature when the handle is in parking mode. There's something in here about mulching the grass. Adjusting the cutting height. Okay, there are 2 cutting heights. To change from one to the other, engage the safety switch and remove the battery. Then turn the mower over, pull the axle away from the blade and guide it into the other position. The spring will keep the axle in position. Okay, it's like a gear system. 50 millimeters height or 40. Ensure both wheels are on both axes are on the same setting. Removing the battery for charging. Press both buttons at the same time and pull to remove the battery. Press the button to check how much charge there is in the battery. There's a dial. When there's no charge left, the final LED will flash for 10 seconds and then go out. Charging the battery directly on it. Okay, that's nice and simple, yep. While charging, the LED will progressively pulse. The battery can be charged from flat in 4 hours. To remove the handle, first remove the battery and then press the button and pull the handle out. That's for disassembly. Product care, cleaning, product support, recycling, warranty, blah, blah, blah. Right, it doesn't say anything in here about the mulching of it. It's supposed to... When it mows the grass, it's supposed to mulch it at the same time. So that's the safety key. And you can take the key out. Okay, that's clever. On. Off. So locked. And then to adjust the height, you can see in there are gears. So you lift it up. That's nice and simple. Down, up to the highest, turn it around. We'll put that one up on the highest setting as well. It is very light. Right, okay. Upright position. This handle goes into click. Then the top part of the handle goes in click. Done that. Battery then. Let's go on to here. Okay. Battery. Shit. Battery goes onto the top of the handle, like so, and clicks in. Now that's quite tall. Okay, and then you're supposed to put in the 2 buttons on the side, and then it starts. Battery indicator, battery on. Okay, obviously I'm not mowing the grass, but this is the small version of it, so you can't just pull the trigger, you've got to hold the handle, hold the buttons on both sides and then pull the handle. Or when you put it in upright mode, it starts. It's got quite a bit of sound to it. Do not do this at home. Okay, and then to lock it off, put it in the locked position. And then when you try to switch it on, it won't. But then for extra safety, what you need to do is to remove the battery, and that's simply push the buttons on either side and then slide the battery out. Very easy to put together, very easy to assemble. Not a big footprint for storing it, to be honest. Now, let's put the key. So once you do have it in the locked position, so when it's unlocked, so you can use it, the key won't come out. But then when you twist it in that position, then which locks it off, you can take the key out and store it away, or just leave it in there. But that key will not stay in there. That's a shame. If you're moving it, be careful you don't lose the key. Lawnmower up. Push either button on either side, not both of them together like I was doing, depending if you're right-handed or left-handed. And then start it. Right, okay. Okay, we are now outside. Let's give it a little bit of a go. I've put it on the lowest setting. Okay, let's try it. It's a little tufts of grass. More moss in this front garden than there is grass. Oh, hang on, there's a little bit of grass there and some weeds. Ow, monkey tree just stabbed me. A little bit of grass here. Along this edge. We're down to one bit of the battery. Okay. Let's make sure that it's off. Let's take a look underneath. Yeah, so it's cut grass. Let's put it on the wall. It's off. I've made sure it's off. And now you can see cut grass. It's going to be a bit messy because it's winter time. It's not really the time to be cutting grass. It's not a very good example because, but I guess if you left it to dry and then you could just brush the grass off. But I've only used it for that little bit and it seems pretty good, to be honest. So that's all I can do because the grass out the back hasn't been cleaned up from the dogs and stuff, so I could only do it on the little bit of the front garden. But so far so good. That is a very handy. Don't know how long it's going to last, as in the battery, but yeah, I like that. I like the design of it. I like the feel of the hold of the handle. Nice bit of weight to it. Not too bad. Longevity of it, who knows? I'll find out in a later video. But this was literally just the unboxing and first look. So I will see you guys in the next episode. Bye y'all.